Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Vivo account is active and your phone has at least 20% battery. This prevents mid-sync interruptions. Once connected to stable Wi-Fi, open the Vivo Cloud app in Settings and sign in with your credentials so the service can authenticate. Make sure to grant storage and network permissions when prompted, because without those permissions, the app cannot upload photos or backups. After signing in, verify your account email and move to configuring backup options. Now you select what to backup and why. Enable auto backup for photos and contacts to keep essential data safe, and pick messages if you need chat history. Once done, choose specific folders and app data to include or exclude so you avoid filling cloud quota with garbage files. Make sure to set the backup schedule. Wi-Fi only prevents data charges, whereas allowing cellular gives immediacy. After setting schedule and quotas, initiate a manual backup to confirm everything uploads correctly. To finish, verify the backup completed by checking the status and timestamp inside Vivo Cloud. This confirms your files reach the server. When restoring, you can choose individual files or perform a full device restore. Selective restores save time and data. If something goes wrong, force a sync, clear the app cache, or sign out and sign back in to re-authenticate. These steps resolve most errors. Finally, make sure you have adequate cloud quota and retry the restore if network issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.